Hey, it's Karen from Rockin' Mama, and today we are headed out on a quick weekend getaway to San Diego. But before we get on the road, I am getting a brand new set of tires installed thanks to Cooper Tires. Tires are very, very important. I drive a ton living in Southern California, and so I need to make sure that my tires are in tip-top shape. Remember that it's very, very important that when you head out on a road trip, you check your tires. You should also be checking your tires once a month. Now, quality tires are important for safety, but they're also important to ensure that your vehicle is performing optimally and that you get the best fuel efficiency. Let's go inside and see how tires are installed and how quick and easy it is for you to get a brand new set of tires. In just under 2 hours, I have a brand new set of tires installed on my vehicle thanks to Cooper Tires. For more information about tire safety and why tires matter, visit my site, rockinmama.net.